Welcome to EDD 834, Creating Strategic Change That Lasts. My name is Carlos Turner Cortez, and I'm the professor for the course, and it is my pleasure to provide you with an overview of course policies for EDD 834. I would like to at this time take your attention, please, to the syllabus under Content, where you will learn more information about the course itself. Under Overview, you will find a description of the course. It reads, "Creating strategic change that lasts is a fine art of every successful leader." Throughout this course, students will examine what the best leaders do to create an atmosphere where employees in the organization can flourish. The focus is on learning essential behaviors that promote a high-energy culture. You will then have an opportunity to view the course goals. You will see there's 31 course goals for this course, as well as the required textbook. The required textbook for this course is Leading the High Energy Culture, What the Best CEOs Do to Create an Atmosphere Where Employees Flourish. Please make sure to get the correct edition, which is the first edition. Also, Leading the Way. You will find the ISBN number located under Course Overview. Then I would like to take your attention, please, to the Syllabus tab. When you get to the Syllabus tab, you will find a copy of the syllabus. Please download the syllabus and keep that for your records. Again, in the syllabus, you'll find the same course overview introduction with goals, and then you will find the 8 modules for the course. When you return back to the tab that reads Content at the top left, you will find information about each of the 8 modules for the course. Each of the 8 modules requires you to complete 2 discussion boards as well as 1 assignment per week. Please be advised that the discussion boards must be completed according to the directives in the course manual, which indicates that the first post must be posted along with the second post by Friday evening, and then by Saturday and Sunday you need to respond to each of the respective posts of your peers. You're required to post 1 original thread and 2 responses to each of the 2 discussion boards each week. The discussion boards are due on time, and if turned in late, you will receive a 10% late penalty. However, each week your core assignments will not receive late penalties. I'm aware that each of you are adults and working students who are working on professional credentials. Therefore, all of the 8 assignments are due at the conclusion of the course, by the last day of the course, and no late points will be deducted for these assignments. The discussion board requires you to post on time to enable us to create a virtual conversation, which is why the discussion board posts are due on time. However, again, your 8 core assignments are not due until the conclusion of the course. When you click on each module, you'll find under each module, and I won't do this for each, but I will do it for the first one, an overview of the course module, and then a list of all the required activities, which include the lectures, the discussion questions, the assignments, and how to upload that assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, you will find a welcome message under the news announcements that includes my cell phone number and my email address, and you can contact me at your convenience any day of the week, 9 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. at night, Pacific Standard Time. You have a wonderful day, and if you need anything throughout the course of the semester, please do not hesitate to reach out.